equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. You'll also need a clean workspace to keep your components organized. Start by unplugging your Dyson V10 from the power source. Safety first. Next, remove the dustbin by pressing the release button and pulling it away from the main body. This will give you better access to the motor area. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the base of the vacuum. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a small container to avoid losing them. If you find it challenging to reach some screws, a flathead screwdriver can help pry open any tight spots. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off the motor compartment. You may need to wiggle it a bit to free it from any clips holding it in place. Be cautious not to force it, as this could damage the plastic. Now, you'll see the motor. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the compartment. A clean environment is crucial for the longevity of your new motor. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for help. Next, disconnect the motor by carefully unplugging the electrical connector. Use your tweezers if necessary to avoid damaging the wires. Once disconnected, you can remove the motor by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. Again, keep these screws safe for reassembly. Now, take your new motor and align it with the screw holes in the compartment. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Make sure it's tightly fitted to avoid any vibrations during operation. Reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks into place. This step is crucial, as a loose connection can lead to malfunction. With the motor installed, it's time to reattach the cover. Align it properly and press down until you hear it click into place. Then, replace the screws at the base of the vacuum to secure the cover. Remember, no calls, no travel. We can assist you with pickup and delivery at your home if you prefer not to tackle this yourself. Finally, reattach the dustbin by sliding it back into position until it clicks. Plug your Dyson V10 back in and give it a test run. If everything sounds good, you've successfully replaced the motor. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Congratulations on completing this repair. You've not only saved money but also gained valuable knowledge about your Dyson V10. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.